Tighten up loose skin after weight loss. A dieter will rejoice once the ideal weight has been achieved successfully. But dieting can also lead to another problem: having loose skin. This is particularly true if the dieting has been done rapidly that left no time for the body and the skin to adjust. The skin will take some time to tighten. Surgeons say that a dieter who has successfully lost weight should wait at least 2 years before thinking of more drastic means to remedy loose skin, especially skin around the stomach. If this has become your problem, patience and following the tips below will help you to tighten up loose skin after weight loss. It is recommended that you pace your dieting to give your muscles and skin time to adjust. Try to set your goal to lose about 2 pounds a week. Your skin needs to remain elastic during the time that you are on a diet. One of the most effective means of maintaining your skin's elasticity is to keep it moisturized. Apply moisturizer daily to keep your skin's moisture locked in. Apply light moisturizer for daytime use and heavier moisturizer before going to bed. Use a loofah or body scrub when you bathe. This will remove dead skin cells and promote blood circulation and skin cell renewal, all of which will help your skin to tighten. Water will also help in tightening your skin. Even if you are not dieting, it is recommended that you drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Water helps in retaining your skin's moisture as well as removing the toxins from your system to improve your skin tone. Exercise is also an important activity that should be included in your diet plan. When you are on a diet, you will be losing muscle mass that will lead to loose skin. Exercise will help build your muscles, which in turn will help your skin to tighten and generally condition your body. Do not forget that lifting weights should also be a part of a healthy diet plan to tone your muscles. Target the arms and stomach areas where most of the loose skin will be concentrated. Massage will also help your skin to maintain its elasticity and firmness. Mustard oil has several properties that are beneficial to the skin. You can buy mustard oil from a health food store. Use it regularly to condition your skin. Collagen and elastin production should be encouraged because these help the skin maintain its elasticity. There are several foods that are very good sources of collagen. Dark green vegetables, red vegetables, and fruits, soya products, green and black olives, and those fruits and vegetables that have high sulfur content are some of the foods that you can include in your diet. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids are also very good collagen sources. Collagen cream can be applied to the stomach area to help moisturize and improve your skin's elasticity. Raw foods and nuts that are rich in vitamin E will help maintain the elasticity and firmness of your skin. These should be included in your diet menu. These foods contain essential vitamins and minerals that will supply your body's daily nutritional requirements. Firming your skin after weight loss can take some time. Your weight gain did not happen overnight, so it stands to reason that you may have to wait before your skin is tightened. Follow the suggestions above and you will have firmer skin in due time.